Okay, this is exercise 2.2 when we'll make the name a link to the cyclist's biography page. So first let's look up which column name we need to find for the biography page. So we'll go to Find Your Desktop, RWR, Data, and hit space for the I button to preview. And now I loaded up cyclists, and it looks like the bio page would be rider URL here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns from the left. So rider underscore URL. So let's go to the text editor. Where's my text editor here? Got to open it up. And we have the age already, but we want to load the bio page URL. And that's just a name I happen to make up for this variable. So bio page URL equals cyclist, square brackets, colon, was it rider underscore URL. And then let's stop there and just run that program to see. I'm switching to my terminal window and press up arrow to get the old output and just run that. No errors, so far so good. Now let's instead of using that URL directly, let's have just the name be a link to google.com. So I'm going to click in here right before the hash symbol of the name and type in angle bracket A space href equals, and I'm going to use single quotes, the small quotes, so that they don't conflict with the double quotes outside, and say http://www.google.com quote, close angle brackets, and then also cursor to the right and close the A tag with angle bracket /A angle bracket to the right of name there. So I'll save this, switch to the terminal, hit up, enter to run the program again, but now I should see some visible change. So I'll click, so I'm going to command tab to my browser, change to that tab and refresh. And I do see some tabs, and it looks like when I hover over it, it does take me to Google. So let's change that link now, using command tab to go back. Instead of Google, we're going to replace that with, select that text and replace it with pound, curly brace, bio underscore page underscore URL, close curly brace. We'll save that, click in the terminal, press up, enter, command tab to the browser, refresh with command R. Now it looks like all the links are different. So let's try one of these, maybe the David link down here, and see if any of these writer pages come up. Yes, it does look like we found the page for this person. So that's all for this exercise.